Good morning, lovely folks. I don't know what's going on with my hair. But it's all over the place. Yeah. See my yellow? Vibrant. Ooh. But hubby and I are taking apart our iMac because it's so dusty and he doesn't want to pay. What the heck? He doesn't want to pay. He doesn't want to pay money to get it cleaned. So we decided we were going to do it ourselves because we're in the process of putting together my desk for my computer so I can edit and stuff on there instead of on my phone. So I'm going to show you guys what we did so far. So hold on. So we've taken off the screen right here and we're now inside of my iMac. And trust believe, my husband is not a computer person. Well, he took computer classes, right? In school, but he has no clue what he's doing, but I trust him. I said goodbye to it. I said my goodbyes to my iMac already, and he knows if he damages it, he's gonna have to replace it. So he's all good with it. But I trust that he knows what he's doing. And wow, that is a lot. Where is it? Right here. A lot of dust.
There's a CD-ROM.
There's a CD-ROM. There's a penny stuck in there, right?
Yeah, that's why I won't do anything. Can't burn DVDs, can't see DVDs.
I think it's gonna be able to.
Here, look at this, because this is where the CD-ROM came from.
Okay, CD-ROM was right there. Okay. What are you guys doing?
Trying to play with that. Even though Destiny keeps on kicking people out of the game.
Eliana, Destiny, don't do that. You know when I call you by your government name, it's serious. And I took that painting down that was over there. And we bought this plant from IKEA last night. Hopefully it survived. Jason.
Get out of there, Jordan. Close the door.
I was gonna get him there.
Close the door.
Jackson, what did your shirt say? Dirt is my favorite color. Dirt is my bubble color. See that face? So handsome. Oh, and my wall. A beautiful wall. Oh, let me give you guys. No, I'll give you guys a tour of the office once it's finished.
Listen, go find your room, please. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you got the penny out of the.
Got the penny out of it.
So see, this is what was in our iMac
CD writer.
CD writer. Was this penny and this Air Jordan sign.
There goes Air Force Ones.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, probably was able to get those out. So, hopefully the CD part works once we put it all back together. So, yeah. We're saving us some money. Right, Jordan?
Yeah. Wait, for a house?
For a house.
I'm living in Grandma's house.
Okay, bye. Bye.
They have a backyard swing. Yep, you're doing with the girls.
Okay, so we're going to my sister's house, my twin sister's house. We're taking this freezer to my mother-in-law because I have to get rid of it out of my house. Where's Daddy? Yeah, we're going to Janelle's house. So,
Yeah, mother-in-law.
we're gonna go.
We're not going to church. We're not going to church. You have a mother-in-law? We're not going to church. You have a mother-in-law?
So we're gonna go to my sister's house
We're not going to
right now for dinner.
Daddy.
And I have to come back and have to come back and straighten up my house because it's a mess. I have to turn off all these lights, all these plugins, all these warmers. Are you ready, Gia?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's go. Daddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, let's go. My purse is over there. That's that. Turn off that light. Honey, can you pass me a cookie? Stop the noise. Stop the noise. Ileana, it's just cookie.
I had my chocolate one.
Oh, God.
I have one.
That's so good.
I know.
Oh, go. Go.
Go.
I start my diet tomorrow. Don't worry. It's cold, but it's not that cold. I'm eating 2 cookies. Because I gotta start over. Right, honey? Where's the car?
Raining. Oh, here.
I didn't even bring a comfortable shoe.
It's not ready to go.
But, whatever. Oh, slinks out here. It smells really bad. It smells awful. But whatever.
My cracker! My cracker! There's some chicken in the back. Come on.
Everybody get in their seat. Put their belts on. Now.
I got on my seat. Who went in the back?
I'll show you guys in a bit. Fear of the Who starts out what? You can't come to the video Queen House and don't video the Queen. I don't videotape nobody all up in my video. Say hi. That's my twin sister. Same pretty, looking pretty, like always. Like, this is my guest star on my vlog this week. Yeah, I have her on my. Yeah, she's my guest star on my. Guest star. And her pretty little, handsome little son, Delvon. So she cooked. She made oxtail. Can I get some more video time? No, not up in here. She cooked oxtail this week with rice and peas, and we're getting to meet her.
What do they do though?
So I know I'm loving my hair. I'm like. You're always camera ready. That's the funny thing. She stay camera ready. Stay camera ready. You can't catch this pretty off guard. What the hell is this big old stain in your. Tell me now if we look alike. If we're identical twins. Girl. You see, I'm much cuter. The eyes. This is no makeup, baby. The lips. No filter. Come on, stop acting like you want to go on this. No, I'm hogging all of it because guess what? At the end of the day, it's all about me because guess what? I brought you here. I don't care where you bring me from. I brought you here. And had I not had to split all this beautiful jeans into 2, I would be so gorgeous.
I still got all of it
I would
though.
be drop dead gorgeous. Like seriously.
Don't do that, cause I still got all of it. Don't do that. Don't come for me.
Like can I have it back, please?
Don't come for me unless I search for you. No, child, I ain't fixed the door yet. I can't fix it.
I can't be bothered with y'all. But yeah, this is my gorgeous twin sister. She's so pretty. She got oh the I can never catch myself. Yes, I'm headed this virgin. Look at the beauty. Look at the sexiness over there. So, all that sexiness in one area. I wonder which one you're talking about. Mine's, of course. What do you think? What do you think? 10 years, baby. 10 years. 10 years and it still look. Me don't see any other man.
Mine is 10.
I see a man within my perimeter. Me running. I see a man coming a mile away. Me a run. They're like, why are you running?
My nigga, get the house.
I'm like, I don't want to catch a charge. I'm like, I'm running. They're like, you dropped something. I'm like, what? No. I don't see men. Men don't see me. I dress like a granny. Look. My frock long.
I threw you the
No, my frock long. Them me knee. Me not catch no charge at all. I don't want to be murdered. Not today. Not tonight. Not tomorrow. Oh, what kind of blinking eyes? What wrong with your eyes? Something in your eye?
No,
let me see. Something in your eye?
Don't stop them, man. Don't do the stop them, man. Wet extra and everything.
Let me go show you what she cook. And it's the rice and the peas. She thinks she's a good cook, but she can't, and oxtail. So, oh gosh, we need to edit. I left our dining room set up. Her flowers them look dead. She's inspired by me.
Yeah, they have to be replaced.
Oh yeah, those have to be replaced.
Yeah, immediately.
They've been like immediately.
Yeah, Giuseppe will replace that. I will replace that. I will replace that.
Family. Oh, I have that. You stole that from me. Whatever. I like her plant. It's still living. Yeah, that means I'm still doing good. There go my handsome hubby. Oh, there, killing his lungs. Oh my gosh, look at his head. Ooh, look at him. Peace out. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but it's definitely not anything interesting. And my edges are like, oh, I tore them out with my sewing, but it's growing. Whatever. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably find something to do, like you can stay on one. Yeah, I'll probably find something to do, like go to Michael and haul a bunch of stuff. I'm probably going to Michael and haul a bunch of stuff because I have to go to Michael's with the people their money and some DIY. What people money? Mi casa es su casa. So yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment down below. Yeah, all in that order. Bye. Hi guys. So today I don't have much. I didn't record this morning because